Well, listen, I'm an optimist, and do I kind of look and say, how did we go from this lead here to where we're at today? Those questions get asked, but in the end, I can't spend all my time worrying about what happened yesterday. This race isn't over, Brian. That's the message.
Okay, so for our listeners,
we got more votes on election night, and if all the votes are counted fairly, I win this election. So rather than worrying about what happened yesterday, if those votes, the remaining votes out there, the 1,000 that we want counted, come from Republican areas, because those are the votes that haven't been counted. And if you use the same standard, a uniform standard, we can win this race.
And since Senator, I've been talking to you. Right, Senator, I've talked to you before. We haven't talked in a while. So just so our listeners know, we see the headlines. Coleman takes a big hit. You won a second look at previously rejected ballots of 400. But regardless of when those are looked at, you're going to keep fighting on, and the next step would be when?
Minnesota Supreme Court file within 10 days of the, and we'll file quicker than 10 days, I can assure you. Bottom line is I want to make sure that there's votes are counted fairly, uniformly, uniform standard.
Gotcha.
And we're going to push to the Minnesota Supreme Court to make that happen if we have to.
Well, this man does not quit at the very